A secret Apple device has just leaked. And it's not the Vision Pro, it's smaller, lighter, and more dangerous for the smartphone industry than anything Apple has ever built. This is Apple's hidden art prototype, model EVT23. If this leak is real, Apple's next big product won't be a headset. It will be glasses that look completely normal, but function like a digital superpower. EVT23 is the internal codename for a pair of ultra-thin art glasses Apple has been quietly testing behind closed doors. EV stands for Engineering Validation Test, which means Apple isn't just imagining this device. They've already built working hardware. And according to insiders, EV-23 is Apple's most advanced wearable ever created. The mission behind this prototype is simple: make her invisible, and make the future wearable without looking like technology at all. From the outside, EV-23 looks like ordinary eyewear, but inside the tiny frame hides something unbelievable: a micro-OLED display thinner than a credit card. Apple's newer One Light chip designed only for our overlays, a micro battery hidden inside the temple, and a waveguide lens that bends digital light directly into your real world. This is Apple's boldest engineering challenge, yet shrinking an entire Vision Pro level system into something that weighs less than 80 grams. Early testers claim EV-23 can already do things the Vision Pro can't. Real-time translation that appears instantly in your vision, messages floating beside your real world, navigation arrows placed directly on streets and sidewalks, your iPhone screen projected in front of your eyes like a hologram, and an AI assistant that responds to whatever you look at. Just imagine looking at a person and your glasses quietly showing their name, your last conversation, or even your upcoming meeting notes. Apple isn't trying to build another device. They're trying to build a new sense technology that feels natural, intuitive, and invisible. So why is EVT23 so secret? Because this prototype represents the end of the iPhone era. If these glasses work, your phone becomes optional. Your apps float around you. Your navigation appears in real space. Your digital life becomes hands-free. Whoever wins the AR glasses race will control the future of computing, and Apple knows it. EVT23 isn't just a prototype. It's Apple's first real step toward a world where technology disappears into everyday life, where your glasses become your assistant, your screen, your computer, and your connection to everything. If this leak is real, Apple isn't building the next Vision Pro. They're building the next reality. And if you want more breakdowns of the latest AI gadgets and future tech leaks, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now.